Texas has a high number of traffic accidents each year involving tractor-trailers, semi-trailers, and other commercial trucks. Most truck crashes occur on highways and interstates in Texas. The deadliest section of highway in Texas was I-69C on an accidents per mile basis. Tractor-trailers and other commercial vehicles are often the largest vehicles on the road. Any accident involving one could potentially be catastrophic for the occupants of the smaller vehicle. Unfortunately, a high number of commercial vehicle accidents happen every year in Texas. According to the FMCSA, driver-related factors play a role in a high percentage of large truck accidents in Texas and throughout the country. In 2017, the 10 leading driver-related factors recorded in fatal crashes were: speeding of any kind, distraction or inattention such as cell phone use, failure to yield the right of way, impairment due to fatigue, alcohol, or illness, careless driving, vision obscured by weather, road design, or vehicles, failure to keep in the proper lane, failure to obey traffic signs, control devices, or officers, following improperly, and overcorrecting. If a driver-related factor caused an accident that harmed you or a loved one, you have every right to hold that driver and the driver's employer accountable. You should seek help from an experienced truck accident attorney at Fleming Law who can begin an immediate investigation, including making sure critical evidence is collected and preserved, interviewing eyewitnesses, subpoenaing maintenance records, safety records, black box data, driver logs, and other information, examining crash reports and evidence taken from the scene. Contact a Texas truck accident lawyer from Fleming Law. Our lawyers will go to trial if necessary in order to pursue the maximum amount of compensation for your injuries and losses. Call 469-414-9082 or visit FlemingAttorneys.com for a free case evaluation.